It is common to notice an odor from the coating on the ceramic fireplace logs for the first 10 hours of use. After that, the odor should dissipate. Lighting the pilot light on your gas fireplace is similar to lighting a gas grill. You can also adjust the flame height using the valve adjustment. There are pros and cons to leaving your pilot light on year-round. Keeping it on will discourage insects and small animals from nesting in the fireplace exhaust. But you will be paying for gas and energy you're not using. And even though it's not on, it does still produce some heat. Over time, the glass on your fireplace may get a hazy film on the inside. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to open the front and clean it. Be sure to use a cleaner specially designed for cleaning fireplace glass. Using ammonia-based cleaners like Windex or anything abrasive can permanently damage the glass. You may notice condensation on the glass for the first few minutes of a fire. It's perfectly normal. As the glass heats up, the condensation will evaporate. The fireplace exhaust should be checked periodically for insects or small animal nests. The exhaust gets hot when the fireplace is turned on and can cause burns. Be careful and be sure to provide plenty of clearance between the exhaust and anything on your patio or deck.